So someone asked me an interesting question. People always say that the Mughals built India, but did they really? Let's talk about it because history isn't always what we were told. Before the Mughals even set foot in India, we were already thriving. We're talking Harappan urban planning, surgical techniques by Sushrut, zinc distillation, and even universities like Nalanda and Takshashila that attracted students from across the world. Even when Babur entered India, he didn't find a blank canvas. He saw a land with vast empires, global trade networks in textiles, spices, and steel. In fact, British economist Angus Maddison estimated that India made up over 24% of the world's GDP before the Mughals, and that's massive. Yes, they gave us stunning architecture, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, beautiful stuff, no doubt. But here's the catch. These were mostly luxury projects for the rulers, not infrastructure for the people. When it came to roads, irrigation, education, a lot of it was either carried forward from older Indian systems or actually done by local Indian rulers. Aurangzeb reimposed jizya tax, demolished temples, and sparked decades of rebellion. The Mughals didn't build India from scratch, they exploited and ruled over an already rich civilization, adding beautiful art and architecture, yes, but also causing temple destruction, forced conversions, and economic drain. So, next time when someone says the Mughals built India, let's ask them built for whom? And what did they do to destroy it? Because at the end of the day, they were conquerors, not the creators of Indian greatness.